a jolt and then you'll die.
Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the OEM trunk light in a Toyota RAV4 Hybrid XLE with a Brighten, a braided light I purchased from Amazon. First, let's take a quick look at the OEM trunk light. You can see it's functional but not very bright, especially at night. To remove the original light, use a small flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool. Gently insert it into the side notch of the light housing and pry it out slowly to avoid scratching the panel. Once it's loose, pull the light out and disconnect the wiring harness by pressing the small locking tab. Once confirmed, slide the light housing back into the slot, starting from one side and pressing firmly until it's flush with the panel. That's it, no special tools, no complicated wiring.
Thank you.
Goodbye.